Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So as you can hear, I'm still sick, but I am better than I was the other day. But I have been sitting and making jewelry lately. And quite a few of you have asked in the past about, making jewelry. And I've done like bits and pieces as well as I've done my knitting and crochet and stuff like that. So I thought I would come on and show you. I've been sitting on the couch doing this. It's much easier when you're sick, to have something to do because I feel that I cannot be creative. Now, something I've talked about many times before is being disabled and being creative. Uh, I know a lot of you out there are like me. I have RA and fibro. And so your hands don't always work the way you want. And there's a million other things that you can have that affects your hands. Um, I like to sit and make jewelry, and so when you watch me do this, please do not leave me nasty comments on how to do it better or I'm not doing it right. This is how I have developed for myself to be able to do wire work or make jewelry, and I'm hoping that it helps you guys as well. Now you can go to your local thrift store, Goodwill lately, and find beads and wire and that kind of stuff. Sometimes you will get lucky, or you can go to your craft store. I read the other day that AC Moore is going out of business, so keep a lookout for clearance sales and that kind of thing for all your art supply needs. But you can go and get this is 22 gauge copper wire. I use a lot of copper because it's easier for me to work with. And you can get stainless steel, you can get sterling silver, you can get just regular, I don't even know what they call it that doesn't tarnish or anything like that. Nickel free, aluminum, all that kind of stuff. So, and then this is a 18, I believe, and you can see it's thicker. And what I'm going to use is believe this is 22. And all I do is, let me show you the bracelets. I don't know why my lighting is off like this. I mean, you can see my nail popped off. Let me show you. I made this for Emily the other day, and to get pictures of it is so hard. And it's with the copper wire, and it has the clasp. And it really came out nice. It's really hard to see on camera. I don't know if that'll help. Let's see. Okay. So that's hers. And then today I made another one. And it has the clasp on it, 7.5 inches. You can see it's so pretty. So I have this, and then I started playing around and did a different wire. These are actually head pins. And I did the same technique with them. I just happen to like the antique silver, like I want to say almost tarnished silver, but it's not. And you can see it has these roses and some red beads. So, and a clasp. So what I'm going to show you is, all right, I'm just going to show you how to wire wrap a bead. If you want to know how to make the full bracelet and that kind of thing, let me know down below. I'll gladly do it, but this is what we're going to do now. This is a black crystal, and I have the copper wire to wrap, and then I have these little crystals right here. So here is a piece of my wire, and why am I getting shadow? Let's do it this way. I cut it about 2.5 inches, and I will cut a bunch of them. If I thought ahead and was smart, which I do not do, I would probably say, oh, I pull out as many beads as I want, and then cut these as well, so you could just kind of grab and go. 2.5 inches, I measure it. I have flat nose, I have round nose, and I have wire cutters. And that's what I like to use. And what I do is, I don't have measurements. I usually do it halfway on here, and you can mark it with a Sharpie. Mine's been marked many times, but then it just comes off. I don't know why. So I will put that wire in there. Again, how I do it, there's a million different ways you can look online and see. And then I'll twist it just that little bit. So you see how it looks? You just cross it over. And then I'll hold my round nose pliers in there. I will pull this down a little bit. I will push this up. And I do this part with my hands, but you could do it with your chain nose pliers if you want. And I just, if the wire is being cooperative, I will just take my time and I will just give it a push. And if you need to, you can do it here. Get your round nose pliers. It's really hard to see on camera. And then just wrap it around. So you get a couple wraps. I like to go a couple times. And then this will just stay here till I go to cut it off later. You can see I have that. And then I'll go in again with my chain nose and just kind of center it. And look, we got a great, and it's wrapped so that there's no jump ring that's going to come off or, anything like that. Then you'll take your crystal that you're going to use, or bead, whatever bead. You don't have to use crystal. You can use whatever, and you will put it on. I like to go in again and get this ready for the next one, which, as you can see, same thing. If you have a line there, then you'll get very accurate round loops, but I will take it around and go like this. And then what I do is I leave this sit as I continue to wrap. And then I'll have a bunch to wrap, which I have here. I will take it. I will take another one. You can see 2 of them. This is where it gets hard for me because my hands are like, yeah, girl, I'm not doing that. I'm not bending like that. But you just link them together. You'll take it and you'll, and now we're linked. And you will do the same thing. You will take your round nose pliers. I will hold on to where this circle is, where that is. And I will wrap this one. And this one, on this second wrap, I will usually use the pliers. I might start it with my fingers, but there we go. And you take it around as much as you want, many times as you want. And you see we have that one's attached. And then we will attach. I'm sorry that you hear my dog running around. He is just like not understanding why the door's shut. And then you keep doing it. And you move your hands. You move the pliers. You move it so it's in a convenient spot for you. That you're not hurting yourself, And having 2 pliers really does help. And then you'll see they're linked together. And then what I'll do is I'll go in, and you just do this as long as you want it. You want a necklace, you want a bracelet. I go in with my cutters, my wire cutters. I will click and cut and click and cut. And you can see it goes fairly fast. And I'll take these again, and you will get in a rhythm. Put on some music, you'll get in a rhythm, no problem. And then, because I'm going to make another one of these bracelets. They'll be up for sale. If you're interested, my email's down there. Email me. Secret, I got your email. And I wrote you back. Okay. If you watch this, I don't know. Okay. And there we started our chain link bracelet, necklace, whatever you want, earrings. So yeah, so you can see so many different ways you could do it. I'm into these crystals and doing wire wrapping, and I have different color wrap, wire, silver. Like, did I bring the silver one in? I don't know if I did. But let me show you these real quick. Oh yeah, I'll show you the silver that I did. I see it right there. I made some, these are like so cute. Owl earrings. Look how cute those are with the eyes. And these red, take them out. As you can see, so pretty. And then this is the red with silver bracelet. And I just have to put my clasp on there, and that'll be up for sale as well. So you can see with the silver, I mean, they're gorgeous. So let me know down below what you guys think. And any more, any questions, you guys know always to hit me up. I will do everything I can to show you and help you out. Like I said, I have a bunch of jewelry for sale on my site, my Etsy site, which is Knitting and Things, and these will be all up. And if you want something custom made, all you have to do is ask. So as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I love you guys very much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.